So we are here at beautiful Fontana Dam. It is a beautiful day. It's absolutely gorgeous. You see the water on this side, and then we got to show them the dam.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Just a little bit down there.
Yeah. So this is the side we came from, and you can actually go down there. We've been down there before. It's really cool.
Is this the Fugitive Dam?
No, this is not.
Is the other
nope.
one.
So that would be the Chilhala, I think.
Okay.
So that is across from Topoco. This is the Fontana one.
Got it.
So I've actually taken that access road before to see what was there.
Oh my gosh, that's like gravel.
It's actually
one?
not. It's actually not gravel. The one that goes along the water there.
This on this side?
That side.
That side.
Yep. Yeah, we've taken this one to get down there, but I've gone over there before exploring. But yeah, so that's cool. So yeah, we'll take you guys to the turbines next. So this is the bottom side of the dam. Not much water going down there today. You can hear it. They must be keeping the lake pretty full. There you go. Talk about a water slide, huh? Go for a ride. All right, let's see if I can't get a better view of this water slide. It is toasty today. Well, let's try it from here. Oh yeah. I still can't see how far down it goes. So yeah, and that's where we were earlier. It's beautiful out here though. One of my favorite places to come, chill out, enjoy the scenery.